It in some players. Hey guys, what is up? And welcome to another exciting unboxing video of Talonx gaming mouse, which is designed by TTE Sports. TTE Sports is Thermaltake based company. So here is box design. Let's open it. Here we have our mouse, and with this it contains Dasher Mini Gaming Mouse Pad, which is located here. So let's open it. So here is our mouse, and this one is our mouse pad. It's small. Here we have the TTA Sports logo and the brand name, the Dasher Mini. It's nice gaming mouse pad for basic gaming. The finishing is nice. So let's head up to the mouse. So here's USB cable. On USB cable, we got the TT Sports logo. The cable is nice. It is cotton finished. There is cotton working on it. This is our mouse. It has 4 buttons. One is scroll, another is DPI changing, and 2 right buttons for gaming purposes. The scroll is open wheel. This is the back cover of mouse. The scroll is open wheel. So this is 3200 dpi optical sensor mouse. Its lifespan is 10 million clicks. So I'm gonna plug it. As you can see, it's have the RGB. It supports various colors. The click sound, it's not too much. It's very comfortable. By pressing this, you can change the DPI. With respect to DPI, the color is also going to change. So here we have the brand name and all the details. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, thumbs it up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Support us. Thank you.